Okay, so I'm going to go over different ways that you can earn money from novel writing. A lot of people think that novel writing is like basically the only way to earn money as a novelist. You just write the book and you sell it. But in my opinion, this is actually the worst way to make money as a novelist because the margins, especially if you only sell through Amazon KDP, the margins are so low. And how are we supposed to build a sustainable business as women of Christ, as faith-based authors, if all we're selling are these little $2.99 ebooks? It's crazy. It's a bad business model, in my opinion. So let's go over different ways that you can actually make money with your books. So the first way, and I'm going to go over strategies outside of Amazon KDP because I feel like everybody already knows Amazon KDP. So I just want you to kind of think of some other stuff. So the first one is to sell your novel as a bundle. To sell your novel as a bundle. So here at God That Would Grow, I'm currently transitioning my business from what it is now, where I write a lot of spiritual development, business development books, personal development books, and I'm going to start writing Christian romance novels. I've actually already started. I haven't listed any for sale yet, but it is coming. And I'm not going to be listing my books for sale on Amazon KDP, and I'm not going to be selling them as one-off ebooks. I'm going to be selling them through bundles. So all my books are about powerful women pursuing their God-given purpose as entrepreneurs. I'm all about purpose here at God That Would Grow. And I want to write powerful women of purpose. Like that's just what I like to read. That's what I like to see. So that's what I'm writing. Every single one of my characters is going to end up using some sort of resource to help her activate her purpose. So the novel that I'm writing now, the main character uses this purpose vision board in order for her to activate her purpose in the novel itself. So I'm going to be selling that vision board as part of the bundle for the novel. You're not going to be able just to buy the novel. It's going to include the actual book itself. It's going to include the vision board. It's going to include the daily devotional that she uses, and it's going to include the tutorial that she uses to actually step into her purpose. So this first book, she's a YouTuber. Clearly, this is what I do, so I'm writing that. So she's going to end up using this tutorial to help her launch her YouTube channel. I'm going to sell that tutorial as part of the bundle itself. So you're not just reading this amazing romance novel, if I may say so myself, you're also able to use the same resources that she uses in your own journey as a faith-based entrepreneur. So that's one way, in addition to just selling ebooks on Amazon KDP, that you can also earn money with your novels. Bundle them out and let people be able to purchase the entire bundle rather than just the one-off book.
So I wanted to dive into my computer real quick and show you an example of bundling. I was trying to find this original bundle. I used to sell it on Teachable, but I can't find it anymore. So this is one of my sales pages, and I just put this example on there. So I'm just going to show you the mock-up. So I wrote this book, Unleash Your Legend. It's a daily devotional about living your God-given purpose. So the first section is discovering your purpose. The second section is confirming your purpose with Christ. And then in the third section, I teach you my goal setting strategy for achieving your purpose. So that's the daily devotional itself. But I didn't just sell the daily devotional. I added this bundle around it so that I could sell this for, I think it was $97. It might have been $297, but I can't remember. So the second section, confirming your purpose with Christ, um, I I expanded that out into its own daily devotional. So I created the Pray in Your Legend daily devotional as a companion to Unleash Your Legend. So basically, in Unleash Your Legend, it's just like 7 short chapters. But in Pray in Your Legend, I took each one of those chapters and expanded them into like 40, 50 pages. This book was like 250 pages. It's so thick. So it's still a 7-day journey, but in Unleash Your Legend, I just had like quick steps. And Praying Your Legend, I had like in detail steps of what to do each and every day that you're confirming your purpose with Christ. So it's 2 devotionals now, right? I'm not just selling one $7 ebook. It's now 2 devotionals. And then I went a second step further. And then I went ahead and recorded. So in the third section of Unleash Your Legend, I teach you goal setting to achieve your God given purpose. So I went ahead and recorded that third section as an online course. And I called it the Achieve Your Purpose course. So in that course, you're learning the same steps as Unleash Your Legend, except it's now a video course. You get to watch it. Like I literally teach it, and then I record my screen doing a demonstration of it. And also, this included workbook pages. So again, this is still the same information that you're learning from the devotional, but now you're getting the course, and I created workbook pages for each module of the course. And I think that course was like 30 videos, if I remember correctly. Girl, this was like 2017. Um, so yeah, I just wanted to show you an example of how I would bundle. This was a daily devotional, but it's the same principle that you can apply for a novel. You're just going to bundle it out so that you can offer it as a higher cost instead of just selling a $2.99 ebook.
A second way that you can earn money from novel writing is a huge one, and this one I'm really excited about. You can turn your novels into audiobooks and sell the audiobook for a premium price. I know. If you're writing novels and you're publishing them on Amazon KDP, you may think the only way to make money with an audiobook is through Audible, right? Because if you've ever done this, KDP forces you to put your book on Kindle first before you can actually put it on Audible. Like the two have to match together. And so a lot of people think that's the only place to sell their audiobooks, but it's not. You can go ahead and get your audiobook recorded either by a professional actor or you can use AI. I've been using AI. And then you can put your audio files together on your own platform and sell your novel that way. So now when somebody purchases the novel, they can also purchase the audiobook companion as well. So Thinkific is a great one for this. Thinkific allows you to upload MP3 files. They cannot be downloaded, which is, to me, one of the most important things. Don't let people download your MP3 files. Unfortunately, we're just living in a world where people be stealing intellectual property. They just take it. They just take it. So don't give anybody your IP. Don't give anybody your digital files. You can embed them on Thinkific or your own platform of choice, and somebody can just play them right there. So I actually do this on my God Would Grow TV platform. I have used AI to record my actual audiobooks, and somebody can go and listen to them whenever they want to right on the platform. That's a monthly membership charge. So if you have enough novels, you may even be able to build a membership out of this and have somebody subscribe to listen to your audiobooks, just like somebody can subscribe to Audible as well. There are a couple of different ways to create your audiobook. So my first novel that I wrote, this is back in 2012, I actually recorded that audiobook myself. I thought I was a little actress and I had different voices for the different characters. It was one of the most time-consuming and tedious things I've ever done as an author. And unless you like that kind of stuff, unless you're an actor or performer, I don't recommend it. I really don't. We have too many. Back then, we didn't have what we have today, okay? Today, there are so many resources for getting your audiobook recorded. Like I said, you can use AI. That's what I do. Or you can technically use ACX.com. That's Amazon's platform for recording an audiobook and putting it on Kindle. The only thing is, if you're going to do that, you're going to pay the actor, I think it's like $200, $300, which to me is a steal. And they'll record it for you. You're going to have to listen on Audible though, but that's okay. You can list your book on Audible and list it on your own platform. They don't have an exclusive right to it when you purchased it and you paid for it, so it's fine. And then when you do your marketing, you'll just send people to your own platform to purchase that audiobook. A third way that you can do it is to hire an actor yourself. So recording audiobooks as a novelist, it is acting because you have different characters. You have conflict, you have tone of voice, you have dialogue. You want somebody talented to record your audiobook. So if you don't want to go through ACX, it's totally fine. You can hire an actor yourself. Just go to acting platforms on Facebook, go to casting walls, and you can put a casting call. You're going to be very, very clear that this is for audio talent. Or you can just go to one of these agencies where they have a bunch of actors that they've already hired, and they will basically be the agent between you and finding the right actor for your gig. The only thing is, if you do it privately, you may end up paying quite a bit more than you would if you just use somebody on ACX. But you get way more opportunity to find the exact actor that you want to use. There's also, I've been discovering that on TikTok, there are a lot of voice actors who show themselves recording these audiobooks. So you could always go on TikTok and search voice actor to find your own actor as well and negotiate right in between there. You don't even need a middleman. Lots of different ways to find somebody to record your audiobook version of your novel. Again, I don't recommend you do it yourself unless you really like acting, but once you have those files, either edit them yourself or hire somebody on Fiverr.com to edit them for you, export as MP3, and publish your own audiobook.
So this is my God Would Grow TV platform. This is my monthly membership program that basically has a bunch of personal development trainings to help women of Christ step into their God-given purpose. And so if you scroll down to where it says audiobooks, you'll see here that I literally recorded my books and you can go in and just listen to them. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm still recording. I'm in the process. I praise God, I've written 57 books here. So I'm in the process of recording all of my books, and eventually you're going to see about 30 of them here because I do have a lot of prayer journals and planners that I sell. So obviously I can't record those for this, but the ones that have any narrative, any dialogue, anything like that, they're going to be right here. My romance novels are also going to be right here as well. So this is just a great way for you to make additional money with your book. And it's really simple to do. You don't have to, take forever. Like I used to, when I started doing audiobooks back in the day, it took me forever because I was doing it the old school way where I was recording each and every line myself and going into Premiere and editing it out, exporting the MP3 file. You don't have to do any of that anymore. These were done so simply. Literally, each one took me about a day. And by the way, if you're in the God Will Grow faith-based author school and you would like a training on how to do these types of audiobooks, let me know and I can definitely record that for you and add that to the school. But yeah, all of these are available and somebody can literally just log in, press play, and it's going to stream them in order. And this is just an additional way for you to make money with your novel.
And then the third way that you can earn money with your novel writing, and this is a way that most people haven't thought of, but you better believe I'm going to be using the strategy. The third way is to give your book away for free. You're going to give that novel away for free. And here's how this works. There's something called a sales funnel. And a sales funnel is a way for you to make more money per sale after somebody makes the first purchase. So what I would do, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking my little novel and I'm going to say, hey, if you like reading Christian romance novels about women stepping into their God-given purpose, I have a my free first one that you can get. Go to this page, and I'm going to have something called a squeeze page, and somebody can enter in their email address. On the very next page, I'm going to say, by the way, if you would like to purchase all these resources I created to help you step into your God-given purpose, including the School of Purpose, the Goal Mastery Bootcamp, the School of Faith, all of my God Will Grow Academy classes, you can purchase by clicking the link below. So you can use your novel to bring in the person who you want to serve in your business, and then on the very next page, offer them what's called a product maximizer. A profit maximizer. A profit maximizer is a product that costs at least $1,000 or more over the course of a year for your business. So one of mine is God Will Grow TV. It's a monthly membership program that I have. It's $97 per month, and it has tons of resources to help women of Christ step into their God-given purpose. And so I'm going to use my novel as a way to bring in my target audience and tell her about all these resources that I have for her to help her live her God-given purpose like the character she's about to read about. This is just a different way to really think about making money with your novel.
I had to dig around for this. I could not find this link. The video, unfortunately, is no longer active, but whatever. I just wanted to show you. This is a book that I wrote that I give away for free. Well, used to. I don't think I promote this anymore, if I remember correctly. I think I redirected all my links to my new ebook that I give away for free. But anyway, I created this, I think in 2019. This is the Free Find Your Purpose journal. Wrote this book literally with the intention of giving it away for free. In this video, I promoted it, like I showed it, what it looked like inside, and I have my little sales copy here. And you'll see like it wasn't just the one book, I bundled it. So I use that even for my lead magnet. I bundled it. Even came with the 60-minute masterclass as well. I can't believe I priced these, but anyway. So this is just an example of giving away your own book for free. This is called a squeeze page, which you're looking at. Lots of different ways to set these up in the Faith-Based Author School. Watch my book funnel toolkit, and I'll show you how to create your lead magnet page, it's just so simple to do, praise God, if you have the right steps. But yeah, this is a way that you can use your novel to earn more money. You just have to put a tripwire offer behind this. So let me just see real quick if I can activate this page. I don't know if there's still going to be a tripwire offer to be complete. Oh, there still is. Remember I was saying to you, I can't find that. The bundle. Here it is. Look at that. Oh, it's not the same bundle. This is the School of Purpose. This was monthly membership program that I had where I taught women how to step into their God-given purpose. I think this was 2018. I cannot quite remember. Let me look at the copyright. 2019. Yeah, so this is the tripwire offer. So the free book that you give away could attract somebody into a digital product you create, a coaching program, a course, a membership like what I did, another bundle, maybe you have a t-shirt companion, whatever you want to do, maybe your audiobook version. Just bundle it out and then stack it with a sales funnel so that you can, earn more income than a $2.99 ebook on Amazon KDP. And no disrespect for people using that business model, but if you know, you know. If you're using that business model, I'm right. Comment down below. Let me know. I'm right.
I know. For some reason, we've been taught novel writing is the only way to monetize our books, but it's not. It's literally just the beginning. And I encourage you to continue researching, continue looking at different ways to monetize your novel, including starting a podcast where you are literally reading chapters from your novel and you can sell ads through that podcast on Spotify, on YouTube. There's lots of different ways that you can make money with this one novel that you write. It's hard work to write a novel. Trust me, I've been doing it for quite some time now. It's hard work to write a novel. So go ahead and monetize it as many different ways as you can so that you can make more money to do more mission in your community. Now, if you want to learn how to turn your books into sales funnels, I created something for you called the God Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, where I'll show you how to do it step by step. Check it out. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you're ready to join the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, go to ChristianAuthorSchool.com and fill out the application form. If you're not quite ready yet, but you just want to learn more about starting a business as an author and what that looks like, come join my free upcoming 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll take you through the 3 steps of starting your own book business online, including this has no nail on it, creating a lead magnet, building your audience online, and then creating books that your audience asks you for and selling it to them through sales funnels. Go ahead and click the link in the description box, and don't forget to watch this video that has even more information to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. God bless you, my love. I'll see you on the platform.